Understanding, Drone On and On, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, drone on and on. This phrase is commonly used in both spoken and written English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, drone on and on, is an idiomatic expression in English. To drone means to speak in a monotonous, boring manner, often for a long period. When we say someone is droning on and on, we are indicating that they are talking continuously in a dull, tedious way, and it seems like they might never stop. This phrase is often used to describe speeches, lectures, or conversations that are particularly lengthy and uninteresting. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. During the meeting, the manager droned on and on about productivity metrics, and everyone was struggling to stay awake. 2. I tried to listen to the lecture, but the professor just droned on and on about the same topic. These examples show how the phrase is typically used to express the speaker's frustration or boredom with the ongoing speech or conversation. There are several synonyms and variations of the phrase, drone on and on, that you might hear. These include, rambling endlessly, going on and on, talking at length without much substance. Understanding these variations can help you recognize when someone is expressing the same idea using different words. In conversational English, this phrase is often used in a casual, informal context. It's a way to express to friends or colleagues that a speech or conversation was overly long and boring. However, be cautious when using it, as it can be perceived as critical or negative if used in a formal or professional setting. That's all about the phrase, drone on and on. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself mastering many more interesting English expressions. See you in the next video.